Schroder 3-meter folding machine. It's quite project machine, so have some scratches over there, but tools are really in good shape. There's some updates over there, and here is some pneumatic things, so it's more easy to handle it if you have a compressor, but it's easy also to work like with manual. It is here pneumatic, so you can just use like your compressor and more easy to work. So it's it's 2.5 meters, not 3 meters machine. The machine don't have a bear gauge, so you can modify something if you need it. Yeah, but it's full working still.